Welcome to the Excel 2U Application Solution Series, where we turn Excel into powerful automation tools. Today, I'll walk you through Excel 2 File Processing, a simple one-click tool that processes raw files and generates clean reports automatically. When you first open the Excel file, it looks simple, just one button, Process Files. The tool works with two folders, Input for your raw files, Output for your processed reports. Right now, we have one sample file in the Input folder. Here's the sample file, and it contains a lot of raw data, with multiple columns we don't really need. Back in Excel, just click the Process Files button. The tool automatically reads the file, processes it, and updates the log to confirm the task is done. In the Input folder, you'll see the input file has been renamed with Done at the end, so it won't be processed again. And in the Output folder, a new clean file has been created. Here's the processed report. The tool combined first name and last name into one column and removed unnecessary data, leaving only what you need. If you want to get your hands on this tool, or have it customized to fit your exact needs, or if you'd like me to build more Excel automation solutions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And stay tuned, because more powerful solutions are coming your way. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss what's next.